Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility. Check that your GPU has 3 usable outputs and that it can drive your chosen resolutions and refresh rates. Once done, measure desk depth and monitor widths so you can position the center screen at eye level and the sides angled roughly 30 degrees. Make sure to collect VESA mounts or a triple monitor stand, the correct cables and any adapters, and a powered surge protector. This setup-first approach prevents mid-build backtracking and keeps the process efficient. You mount the monitors to the stand or desk arms, tightening VESA screws evenly to avoid tilt. Once secure, roughly align them before final adjustments. Next, route and label cables. Use DisplayPort for high refresh rates if available, HDMI for convenience, and adapters only when necessary. Then plug power and video into the correct GPU outputs. After powering on, go into your operating system's display settings to arrange screens left to right, set native resolutions and refresh rates, and choose whether to extend or duplicate displays for gaming. You optimize by enabling bezel compensation or adjusting the game field of view so visuals read naturally across all 3 panels. Set GPU scaling and color calibration for consistent brightness and contrast. Once done, update graphics drivers and enable multi-monitor modes like Surround or Eyefinity when supported, since they offer better performance and bezel handling. If you encounter flicker or a black screen, first reset cables and try different ports. If the problem persists, test each monitor individually and use a powered adapter instead of passive splitters to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.